You're in a flower market in the Netherlands. You ask the price in English, the seller replies in Dutch. No Google Translate, no devices, no interpreter. Frustrating, right? Now imagine your earbuds handling that instantly. For just $249, that's exactly what the new AirPods Pro 3 can do. But if you already own the Pro 2, should you upgrade? In this video, we're breaking down the key differences between AirPods Pro 3 and Pro 2. Let's dive in. The AirPods Pro 3 arrives with a new earbud design. The changes aren't dramatic, but the slightly slimmer nozzle and contour adjustments provide a tighter seal, which can mean better passive noise isolation and less ear fatigue over long sessions. Both the Pro 2 and Pro 3 cases come with a USB-C port and a built-in speaker for Find My tracking. The Pro 3 case feels marginally slimmer and refined, but the difference isn't huge. Both deliver IP57 dust, sweat, and water resistance, so they'll handle workouts and rain without a hitch. When it comes to sound, the AirPods Pro 2 already raised the bar with deeper bass and clearer highs compared to the original. The Pro 3 builds on that foundation with an even richer sound profile, tighter bass, better detail in the mids, and improved clarity. Active noise cancellation is also slightly stronger on Pro 3, especially against irregular noises like airplane engines or background chatter in busy environments. Comparing with Pro 2, it's 2 times better than its predecessors. Transparency mode is also improved on the Pro 3. It adapts more seamlessly, letting outside sounds in without feeling artificial. Both models support personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, creating that surround sound feel when watching movies or playing games. Anyone who spends hours with music, podcasts, or editing audio, the Pro 3 stands out. This is where the AirPods Pro 3 separates itself from the Pro 2. First, heart rate sensing. You can monitor your pulse in real time during workouts, or even track stress and recovery during the day. It eliminates the need for a separate device if you're already wearing your AirPods everywhere. Second, live translation. Imagine traveling and being able to translate conversations on the spot, directly through your earbuds. Whether you're traveling, on business, or handling multilingual conversations, this feature makes the Pro 3 a smart pick. The Pro 3 takes Apple's hearing health features up a notch. Hearing test, hearing aid support, conversation boost, and hearing protection are on both models, but Pro 3 integrates them more intelligently. You also get conversation awareness, voice isolation, personalized volume, and loud sound reduction. Similar on both, though Pro 3 feels more precise. Plus, Pro 3 adds a handy camera remote, letting you snap photos right from your earbuds. Both the Pro 2 and Pro 3 run on Apple's H2 chip, which handles audio processing and ANC with speed and efficiency. The Pro 3's case, however, is upgraded with the U2 chip. This makes precision finding significantly more accurate when tracking your earbuds or case with Find My. Both support Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable, low-latency. Connections across devices. Battery life? Pro 3 gets around 6 hours per charge, while Pro 2 sits closer to 5.5. But with the case, Pro 2 actually lasts longer overall, around 30 hours compared to 24 on Pro 3. Quick charging is identical, 5 minutes for about an hour of playback. But if you need maximum total hours without thinking about it, the Pro 2 quietly holds the edge. The AirPods Pro 3 launches at $249. The Pro 2 can often be found for less now. So here's the decision. AirPods Pro 3 are for fitness fans, travelers, and anyone who wants the latest features: heart rate, translation, improved ANC, and better eco-credentials. AirPods Pro 2 are still a killer option if you want premium sound and ANC without paying extra for features you won't use, plus longer overall battery life. For many people, this model still checks every box that matters. At the end of the day, the right AirPods Pro comes down to your lifestyle, not just the spec sheet. Make the choice that matches your day-to-day reality and don't pay for features you won't use. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment. Are your Team Pro 3 or sticking with Pro 2? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.